Okay, we are zipping along what should be a familiar stretch of highway. We were on US Route 30, the Lincoln Highway, traveling eastbound here in Somerset County, in the direction of the Allegheny Summit in the Eastern Continental Divide. But our destination is actually to the north of here in Central City, a little town where we were at yesterday.
In half of a mile, left turn onto Rock Cut Road.
That left turn we are going to be making is from Pennsylvania 160 north. Sure enough, there's a sign for Central City. We're not too far away.
Next left. Proceed about 4 miles to Central Avenue.
Based on this sign here, it should be about 4 miles from here to Central City. Now, by the way, we are on Pennsylvania 160 north, and that was the same highway we took southbound from Windber to get to Central City yesterday. Of course, that means that later on, once we get to Central City, we're probably going to come, well, we're certainly going to come to the same dead end we came to yesterday in the middle of Central City, where Pennsylvania 160 crosses Dark Shade Creek on Sunshine Avenue. That means we will continue here on Pennsylvania 160 north, all the way till we come to that dead end right across Dark Shade Creek from where we ended yesterday's trip. Since I expect and certainly hope it's going to be sunnier, a little bit sunnier out today than it was yesterday, we can look around Central City afterwards to find a couple of churches that are actually very close to one another if Pennsylvania 160 was only open. Anyway, let's just relax now and enjoy the cruise. Yeah, well, sure enough, there's the signs for the Pennsylvania 160 detour ahead. But again, we'll just forget about the detour and continue straight ahead until we reach the dead end. Sure enough, there's the sign for the detour to the left.
In half of a mile, left turn onto Central Avenue.
Well, here we are, Central City, Pennsylvania. Somerset County, to be exact.
Left turn ahead, and then left turn. Next right.
The road is closed ahead. Let's see if there's a detour. Well, past the barricades, I can barely make out the church that we saw briefly yesterday, and that we'll go visit later on. But it looks like the only detour available here is for pedestrians only.